My name is Anand Padmanabhan. I'm a physician scientist. So currently, when someone is suspected of this disease called HIT, the physician draws a blood sample and ships it out to one of 5 national labs in the country because the current test is so complicated that only those large labs can handle them. So there's a several-day waiting period in which the physician's wondering how best to treat the patient. What we seek to develop is a little box with the kit components where a patient blood sample would be added to it, and you will get a yes or no answer right by the patient's bedside. And so our test seeks to revolutionize HIT testing from its current state. The goal of this is that the physician will be able to make an informed decision within hours, not days, when he or she suspects someone has the disease.